Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have a nice exponential problem, that is x to the power 6 is equal to 4 to the power 6. So here we have to find the value of x. Let's start our solution. Here we can see that here x to the power 6 and 4 to the power 6. So exponents on both hand side are same. Then we can say x is equal to 4 is the solution of this problem. But 4 is not only the solution of this problem. We have other solutions. So let's start. Here we have x to the power 6. So shifting this one, we have minus 4 to the power 6 is equal to 0. Now x to the power 6 can be written as x cubed whole squared and minus 4 cubed whole squared is equal to 0. Now as we know that if we have a squared minus b squared, then according to algebraic identity it can be written as a plus b times a minus b. So applying this identity here, then our equation will be x cubed plus 4 cubed x cubed plus 4 cubed times x cubed minus 4 cubed is equal to 0. Now here we can say that x cubed plus 4 cubed is equal to 0. Let's say it is our equation 1, and x cubed minus 4 cubed is equal to 0. So it is our equation 2. Now solving our equation 1 here, so x cubed plus 4 cubed, as we know that a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b times a squared minus a times b plus b squared. So using this identity here, then it will be x plus 4 times x squared minus 4 times x and plus 4 squared is equal to 0. Now x plus 4 times x squared minus 4 times x plus 4 squared is 16 is equal to 0. Here x plus 4 is equal to 0 and x squared minus 4 times x plus 16 is equal to 0. So our first value of x is equal to, shifting plus 4 we get minus 4. So it is our first solution of x, which is real solution. Now solving this one, as it is a quadratic equation, so we have to solve this by using quadratic formula. Hence for this purpose, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 16. According to quadratic formula, here we have x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of, that is b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. So applying the values of here a, b and c, so it will be minus times minus 4 plus minus square root of, that is minus 4 squared minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 16 all over 2 times a is 1. Next x is equal to, here x is equal to minus times minus is plus, we just write 4 plus minus, here square root of minus 4 squared is 16 and minus 4 times 16 is 64 all over 2 times 1 is 2. Now x is equal to 4 plus minus square root of, if we just take 16 is common, then we have 1 minus 3, that is 4, not 3 but 4 all over 2. Now 4 plus minus square root of 16 times 1 minus 4 is minus 3 all over 2. So here we have x is equal to 4 plus minus, it can be written as square root of 16, and times, here we have square root of 3 and times square root of minus 1 all over 2. Now x is equal to, that is 4 plus minus square root of 16 is equal to 4 and times square root of 3 minus 1 square root is equal to I all over 2. Now if we just take 2 is common, so inside bracket we will get 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 3 I all over 2. So this 2 is cancelled out with this 2. We get the final value of x, that is x is equal to 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 3 I. So these two values are complex values of x. Now here we get three solutions from equation 1. Now we are going to recall equation 2. Here our equation 2 is, that is x cubed minus 4 cubed is equal to 0. So recall this equation here, x cubed minus 4 cubed is equal to 0. As we know that if we have a cubed minus b cubed, then it is equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. So applying this identity here, then x cubed minus 4 cubed will be x minus 4 times x squared plus 4 times x plus 4 squared is equal to 0. So here we have x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x squared plus 4 times x plus 4 squared is 16 is equal to 0. Now from this one, x is equal to 4. It is a real solution of x. From equation 2, it is quadratic equation. So we are going to solve this equation by quadratic formula. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 16. By using quadratic formula, then it will be x is equal to minus b, which is minus 4, plus minus square root of b squared, which is 4 squared, minus 4 times a is 1, c is 16, all over 2 times a is 1, so 2 1 is 2. Now here x is equal to minus 4 plus minus, here we have 4 squared minus 4 times 16, we get the same result, which is 4 times square root of that 3. So we just write here that 4 times square root of 3i and then all over 2. So taking 2 is common, inside bracket we get minus 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 3i all over 2. So here this 2 is cancelled. We get the final value of x, which is x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 3i. So here we get two values of x. Both are complex. Now we have final values, that our final answer is that x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 4. These two are real solution, and similarly x is equal to 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 3i, and x is equal to this one minus 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 3i. So these two values are complex values and these two are real values. So here we have that 2 and 2 4 and 2 6 possible solutions of x. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.